It's an effort to help save families from potentially life-threatening diseases. Here's 10 TV's Chris LeGrand with a new method to preserve a person's DNA.
It's called a DNA memorial, where a sample of a deceased person's genetic makeup is stored and preserved in hopes of helping surviving family members fight potential life-threatening diseases.
So if my grandfather had heart disease and my father had heart disease, we know I'm higher risk, but they can actually get more scientific now and say that they had this certain DNA or gene and so do I, and therefore my likelihood is even greater.
DNA played a role in a decision made by Angelina Jolie to undergo a double mastectomy in 2013. Doctors determined the actress carried a cancer gene, and there was a 4 in 5 chance she would develop breast cancer, the same disease that killed her mother.
We collect some DNA samples from a person that has died, and we can either have them processed and given to the family to keep at their home, or we can send them to a lab for permanent storage.
Besides the DNA memorial being put in a vial, there's also the more costly crystal remembrance, where a portion of a person's cremated remains and their DNA are interweaved with a swirl of color in a glass piece of art.
This is a brand new concept that Schoedinger has just rolled out in the last 30 days. So we don't have a person yet who has decided to go through this. I suspect we will very shortly. And I think as familiarity increases, more and more people will certainly want to do it.
Chris LeGrand, 10 TV News.